Hey guys, do you really want to deepen your connection with cacao and take your cacao practice to the next level? Then you need to sign up for our Intermediate Cacao course online. This course is an amazing deep dive into all the aspects of ceremonial cacao, starting with the ancient traditions and going all the way back to the sacred temples and sites of Monte Grande in northern Peru. You'll be learning from indigenous teachers all about the cosmovision of cacao, its symbols, its origin, its meaning, its traditional preparation and tools involved, what each tool represents, and how we can change and bring this amazing knowledge into our modern world and use with cacao. You're going to be engaged in these incredible online interactive Zoom sessions with our teachers where you can ask questions and you can go into way more detail behind some of these ancestral concepts. We're then also going to teach you about the industry of cacao, the preparation, how we go from the pods to the different products, what is ancestral cacao, all the unique varieties of cacao that we've found around the world and in Peru. And then we're going to map the biochemistry of cacao, and you're going to learn how cacao works in your brain, the journey it takes you on, the different receptors involved, the different molecules and bioactives, cacao and neuroplasticity, and how we can connect in with each of these journeys and bring about transformative change, both mentally, spiritually, and physically. So if this sounds like interest to you, then sign up for our course, get online, connect with us. It involves online coursework and 6 hours of live Zoom calls where you can really expand your depth of knowledge with cacao. Hopefully we'll see you guys online soon.